and today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, the first step is to do the white cross. To do that, first you need to find the white and orange edge, and you need to find white and orange. This edge is white and orange, so you just put it here. If it's here in the opposite direction, you can just turn it there and put it here. And now I found the white and red edge, and I can put it here. This is white and blue, so I can just take it out of there and turn it here. After I do that, when there's a white and green edge, then you must just turn here and take it out there. And then it can't do this because it's in the opposite direction. So what you do is put it here where the other edge is, turn it, and then you can put it there, and then you turn this one back. And now you need to find the corners to finish the white square. So to find the white, blue and red corner, it is here, and you just put it in front of it and you do this algorithm. You first turn the right one up, the top part you turn to the left, and then you turn the right back down, and then you turn the top part back to the right. So it hasn't come here yet in the right orientation, so you need to do that a few more times. After you put it in here, you find the next corner. You put it on top. This is the white, green and red corner, and you put it on top where it's meant to be, white, red and green. And then you do this that algorithm again. And I found the white, orange and green corner, which is already on top of where it needs to be, and I do the algorithm again. And this one only needs to orientate, so I do the algorithm again. Here. After you finish the white face, then all you have to do now is do these edges. So, you're meant to find the red and green edge, which is here. Place the green on the green place, and then do this algorithm. The top layer goes to the right. You turn the left side up. You turn the top part back, and then you put the left side back again, and then you turn the top part to the right again. Left again, and then you turn this square that's facing you up, and then put this corner back, and then put this line back to where it was, and then you put this edge here. So you do that to the other ones as well, other edges. And after you solved all the edges, you can now you do the yellow cross. When it's like this, in this position, you have to put this and this one to the right, and then you turn these two layers down, and then you do this algorithm again. The same algorithm you did to put the corners, and then it fixes it. If you have this situation, you just do one of the algorithms, and then there's this one, and then you do the other algorithm, and then it does the yellow cross. So after you do that, now you need to put the corners in the right position. These two are in the right position because if you twist this corner, then the blue will be here, orange will be here, and yellow will be there. It's the same to this one. The blue will be here, the red will be here, and the yellow will be there. And then these two have to swap because this one the yellow will go here, but the green will go in the red side, and the orange will go on the green side. So you need to swap these two. To do that, you do this algorithm. You do the same algorithms you did to solve the white corners 3 times. And then you turn the cube around to the left. And then you do the same algorithm like this. You put the left side up, you turn the top side to the right, and you put the left side back down and the top part to the left again, and you do that 3 times as well. And then after you put it in the corner, all of them are correct. So you put the Rubik's Cube upside down, and this is the algorithm you did. The same algorithm you did to solve the corners, the white corners. So you do it until it goes down here, and then you make this one here. And don't be afraid that this part is mixed up, because it usually happens, but when you put this corner here, then it's fixed here in the white part. So then, to do this final stage, you have to do that algorithm you did to solve the white corners once in the right side, and do the same thing with the left side. And in the right side, you do it 5 more times, and same to the left 5 more times. And then you solve the cube. But if you do that algorithm once and it doesn't work, just do it again. And that's how you solve the cube. But if this happens, with these two swapping, this one and this one, and then just do this algorithm. You turn the middle twice, and then the top row once to the right, and then middle row twice, and the top row 2 times, and the middle twice, and the top one to the left once. And then you just do the middle again, and then that's how you solve that problem. So when these two and these two swap, just do that algorithm once. In whatever side, and then you have this one side solved, and then you can do it again. And that's how you solve a 3 by 3. Bye!